55 yards. 60-degree wedge. All right, birdie putt. Tap in par. All right. All right, we got 150 yards. Going to go with my 54-degree wedge here. Perfect. Right next to the pin. Nice putt for birdie right here. Par. Par 5, gonna smack a driver down there. Perfect. $160 yards. Gap wedge. Bite. Not bad. Not great. Another par. Rain's picking up. This is not fun. Hole 4, par 4, gonna get another driver up there. just on the right side a little bit. 94 yards. Gonna go with the 60 degree. Oh, chunked it. Got so much dirt in my eyes. Ugh. Alright, let's try and save par from here. Got a chance. First bogey of the day. Oh. See if we can get back to even. Going the whole. Oh, that was really good. Real nice. Boom. Back to even, just like that. So hole 6, par 4. Usually I go 3-wood here, but I'm gonna do a light driver since it's raining, and then see if I can drive the green. Not gonna try and swing hard at all, just gonna keep it smooth. That could be good. Be really good. I was right at it. Let's see. It was literally right in line with the pin. I bet if it wasn't soaking wet, it'd be right there. But, and I didn't swing hard at all. I literally just let the club of the weight of the club do the work. Oops. Oh no. Alright, let's see. Oh, no, why did it roll out so much? How? You gotta be kidding me. Par. Alright, still even. Every hole it just starts raining harder. But I still think we're doing pretty well for the conditions that we're given. Even through 6 holes. About to be under par. That's what I'm talking about. Ugh. Just gonna have to give this one a little extra. Just like that. Go! Go! Perfect. Literally perfect. So we got 170 yards. Plays like 160 because it's quite downhill. That's a big drop right there. Pins in the center, kind of towards the left. Just gonna go with a gap wedge here. Take it right alongside these tree branches. I think that could be good. It's probably the back of the green though. Find out when we get up there. It's starting to rain so hard. Had the right distance, just a little too far to the left. Oh. Par. Oh man. How did that not go in? Oof. Alright, 2 holes left. Let's see how this goes. Alright, we got 2 par 4s left. This one you want to be on the left side of the fairway. So I'm gonna just hit an 8 iron up there. Just like that. That's gonna be perfect position for me. Got 113 yards. Pins in the back. I got a 60-degree wedge. Gonna get this one close. Turn in. Pin high, long putt. Literally perfect distance, just too far to the right. Had a little jump back from the landing. Oh, just needed a little more gas. That was like really good though. Tap in par. All right, one more hole. Even through 8. Last hole. Gonna hit a 5-iron right over that tree on the left. Should be in a really good position from there. Not really over the tree, but it's right down the center. Well, to the right. Should be fine. It's not where I was aiming. Alright, we got 120 yards. Gonna hit that same shot I did on the last hole with a 60 degree. Hopefully more on target this time. Pins in the front. It's right at it. It's coming a little to the left. Oh, my distance is right there. Just can't get it at the pin. It's like perfect distance every time. But the accuracy, not there. I should probably just put this. Almost in the birdie. Almost shot under par. 36, even. Be good, stay real. Catch you in the next one.